Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We are starting off the morning on the cold side. Not terribly cold, though, for this time of the year. We've got a lot of good news ahead of us here over the next 4 or 5 days before big changes come in as we get towards next week. You've probably already heard about it a little bit. I've been talking about it for about a week now, as kind of hinting that maybe we might be affected as we get towards early February, and it's starting to look like that may be a good possibility. But let's get through the short-term forecast here the next day and a half or so. Cold conditions this morning. I'm going to call it a chilly day, but really a pretty typical late January day with temperatures in the 30s, lower 40s. Some sunshine out there for today. Eastern Nebraska, you may start off with some clouds, parts of northern Nebraska as well, but gradually clear up some of those skies later on. So most of us will be mostly sunny by later on this afternoon. Mostly clear overnight tonight. A little cold again, teens and 20s for overnight lows. And then heading into tomorrow, we'll be looking at a warmer day ahead of us. I'm going to call it cool instead of chilly, as we see a lot more 40s out there, maybe a few of you getting to around 50 in the southwest. A trough late in the day will bring a little bit of an increase in some clouds from the north here, but we'll start off mostly sunny before seeing those partly to mostly cloudy skies later in the day. So again, kind of continue to see improvements over the next couple of days. Highs later on today, low to mid 40s or 30s up towards the north, partly to mostly sunny skies. Most of our clouds would be early. West-northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Most of us will see that kind of a wind as we go through the day today. Low to mid 40s out west, lots of sunshine. I think we'll see mostly sunny skies in the south with temperatures anywhere from the mid 30s to the mid 40s. A little cooler to the east, low to mid 30s for afternoon highs, decreasing clouds. We'll start off with some clouds and then see some clearing skies later on in the day. Your forecast for the next 7 days, again, looks great over the next 4 or 5 days, getting into the 40s, near 50 on Thursday with lots of sunshine, well into the 50s on Friday. Some folks to the south and to the southwest may break into the lower 60s. Saturday still mostly 50s, some 40s to the north here. As we start to see a cool down come in, we'll see increasing clouds Saturday, eventually a slight chance of some light rain or snow Saturday night through Sunday night with the first kind of quick disturbance ahead of our main storm system that will come in. And at this point, it looks like a Monday, Tuesday, maybe even a Tuesday night to early on Wednesday time frame. There's still a few questions with that part of it, but this is something I've been talking about for over a week now, and long-range forecast models have been very consistent on showing a fairly significant winter storm with a lot of moisture, and that still looks like a good possibility here. We could be talking about over an inch of liquid equivalent precipitation. That would come out to around 6 to 12 inches of snow for many locations. So again, there's still time to watch the storm system, because any shift in the track of the storm system could have big changes when it comes to the amount of snow we would see. If this shifts to the north, we may not see much snow. If it shifts to the south, most of the heavy snow could be our south, or we could be targeted with some heavier snow. So you're going to want to stay tuned to the forecast, because there will likely be some changes. But again, this has been fairly consistent, showing one of the bigger snows we've seen so far this winter season. So again, a lot to figure out, but hey, let's enjoy the nice weather while we have it here over the next couple of days, especially later on this week. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.